Welcome to this video on ASCII and Unicode, where we'll explore the fundamental character encoding standards that make digital text possible. A character encoding is a system that assigns unique numeric codes to characters, enabling computers to store and process text. Without encoding standards, computers wouldn't understand letters, numbers, or symbols. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It was created in 1963 and became the foundation of digital text. ASCII uses 7 bits to encode 128 different characters. Let's look at some examples. The uppercase letter A is represented by the number 65. The lowercase letter A has the code 97, and the digit 0 is assigned the value 48. Each character has its own unique number. However, ASCII has significant limitations. It only supports English characters and basic symbols. There's no support for international languages, emojis, or special characters used in other writing systems. Unicode was developed as a universal character encoding standard that works for all languages and symbols. It supports over 149,000 characters from 159 different scripts, making it truly global. Unicode includes characters from every language. Chinese characters, Arabic script, emojis, and special currency symbols like the euro sign are all part of Unicode. This universality makes modern international communication possible. To summarize the key differences, ASCII contains only 128 characters and supports English only, using 7-bit encoding. Unicode, on the other hand, contains over 149,000 characters, supports all languages, and uses variable length encoding to efficiently handle this massive character set.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.